बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद है कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज का टॉपिक है फिज़िकल एंड केमिकल चेंजेस ऑफ मैटर। तो सबसे पहले आप सब दोस्तों को गुजारिश है, अगर मेरे चैनल में है तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर, वीडियो को लाइक करो और साथ ही बेल का बटन प्रेस कर ताकि नया न्यू वीडियो आपको आसानी से मिल सके। तो अच्छा, आप आइए मेरे साथ रहे। वी कम अक्रॉस मैनी चेंजेस एवरी डे इवन विदाउट नोटिसिंग देम, सच एज फ्राइंग एन एग, a raw egg changes into a solid one. It is a permanent change. Making yogurt is a change. Crushing a cane is a change. Dissolving sugar into water to prepare a drink is a change. All these changes are classified into reversible and irreversible changes. In this chapter, you will study the nature of different changes. Physical changes in matter. Matter can be changed from one form into another form in different situations. The change in a matter may be a temporary change, which is called physical change, or it may be permanent one, which is called chemical change. Physical change are changes in which no new material is formed. It only changes the arrangement of particles which can be returned to their previously states easily. Physical changes occur in different ways. For example, a change in state of matter change from a solid to a liquid or gas and vice versa. Separation of a mixture, separation of sand and water. Physical deformation, cutting, bending, denting, crushing aluminum can. 4. Making solution, dissolving sugar into water. All of the above changes are reversible. They can be reversed to their original state by changing the situation. The addition of salt sugar into water changes its state. Salt sugar can be reobtained by the evaporation of the water. It is a reversible physical change. Crushing aluminum changes the shape of an aluminum can, but it is still an aluminum metal. The shape can be regained, so it is also a physical change. Experiment melting and solidifying. Materials required: candle, matchbox. Procedure: burn a candle, observing a change taking place during burning. After 5 minutes, set up the candle and observe the change. Name the process against each change. Observation: solid wax change into liquid wax change into solid wax, wick burns into ash and smoke. Change in state of matter. Water. We have learned that temperature affects the motion of particles. When this motion increases or decreases beyond a certain limit, matter changes into another state. Below are the processes that explain such changes. Melting and freezing. To understand the concept, we start with a thing which temperature is lower than room temperature. Example: ice. Bring out ice cubes from the freezer and place them at room temperature. Soon it will melt and change into a liquid state. When a solid warms, its particles begin to move fast. When the particles' movement becomes so fast that they begin to flow over each other, solid metals melts. The temperature at which solid changes into a liquid state is called its melting point. Ice begins to melt when its temperature increases above 0 degrees C. Similarly, if water cools below 0 degrees C, its particles release energy. Their movement becomes slow and they come close to each other and starts to freeze. The temperature at which a liquid freezes is called its freezing point. Shukriya wassalam.